girls here.
Okay. My hair's a wee bit fluffy. Let me fix my freshly washed fluffy hair. I have to wear this shirt now. Gosh. Andy, puts a lot of demands on. Hang on. Oh, is it recording? Oh, Andy, you've left the phone. Oh, he's left the phone recording while I'm fixing myself up. Anyway, he's been called out. One of the other tall girls has called him out when he should be here filming with me. This is why I'm here, to be with him, filming for you guys so you guys can learn, you know, something. And now one of the other tall girls has called him away to help out with a breakdown or something. I don't know. Anyway, I've got to wear this shirt, part of the rules, but you know, well, he's not here at the moment, so do I get away with like not wearing it? What do you guys reckon? Don't wear it? Wear it? I don't know. Anyway, better do, just in case he watches this later, which I know he will, to see what I've been up to, right? Don't know what he's been up to with the tall girls, but he'll know what I'm up to because he's been recording this. But while it is recording, let's go over some of these comments that he's printed out for me and left for me, shall we? Why not? Have a bit of fun while he's away. Okay, so we've got here Polecat. Cool name, Polecat. I like it. 54941. Blimey, Andy. Hannah is smoking. Couple of questions. Following this video, are you going to get more cameras in the workshop? I hope not. Is this video demonstrating why people become mechanics? And 3, how the hell can you concentrate on your piece to the camera? You're a true pro, obviously. Of course he is. He is a professional. Came for thumbnail clicking. Hang on, Jake, sorry. Jake. I'm actually still having a few celebratory drinks, so excuse me if I a few words that aren't quite right. I'm sure you guys know what it's like when you have a few drinks, right? Jake came for the thumbnail expecting clickbait. First 10 seconds of the video kept my attention to watch full video. I can assure you, no clickbait here. Okay, next one. Yankee Rector. Yankee Rector, I hope I pronounced that right. Sorry if not, I'm just a Kiwi. You should do a Tool Girl calendar for next year. My idea, by the way, like, thank you for backing me, because actually when I first started working with Andy, I said how cool would it be to do a Tool Girl calendar with all the Tool Girls, get us all together, photos separately. Like, I love that stuff. So in theme, you know, like sexy, red, white, Santa Claus. Hey, oh my God, Andy could dress up as Santa and we could all sit on his knee. Ah, he would love that, wouldn't he? Oh, that is so cool. Yeah, I know what I want for Christmas. Anyway, PK, oh, I don't know about this one, Pranchit. I was like 90% sure the thumbnail was clickbait. Whoa, I suppose it wasn't. Yeah, so I pretty much look like this most of the time, but They are there. This is like real. This is how a real girl looks, you know, with when they're not fake, when they're real, guys, they move about. They move, you know. This is real. You know, when they're fake, they sit like this, but they're hard and they don't move. So this is what a real woman like looks like, okay? They're movable, they're squishy, and then, you know, they can disappear and, well, look quite, you know, just normal. So, yeah. Back to the comments. Sorry, guys. A bit off track there. I'm a natural Kiwi, you know, I'm proud. So, yeah. Anyway, here we go. Andrew Hallett Patterson. Can I complain that there's not enough nudity on your channel? This is the best info you've offered in a while. Oh, was there any mechanical discussion? I missed that. So all these comments are on when I put on this Andy Mechanic shirt. That video got a lot of attention for some reason. I'm just putting on a shirt, so I don't know. I mean, yeah, it was quite, my back was naked, but you didn't really see anything, so I didn't see the big deal. But guys, hey, thanks for subscribing, thanks for viewing, thanks for the comments. This is awesome. This is so cool. Jane, oh sorry, Jane. John Ware, that's how we'd pronounce it in New Zealand, but I don't know where you're from, so maybe Jane Where? Does Tool Girl Hana know about the camera behind the bike? Oh, what? No. Want to get a shot of my bootay? Is it behind the bike? Actually, I don't mind, guys, because I'm actually really comfortable with who I am and my skin. This is me, so cameras, as long as I know they're there, I can play to them, so I'm quite happy. It doesn't matter. What else have we got here, guys? And we're still celebrating, so I'm still drinking. Cheers, guys. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching. You guys are awesome. There's probably heaps more comments, but God, there's so many, honestly. Graham Allen says, Hannah's shirt looks better than Andy's. Oh, thanks, Graham. Love YouTube, modern day Benny Hill. Yeah, that's pretty cute. And also, I got some mail from Erico. Remember, I got some mail? So cute. I really appreciate getting mail, guys. So if you want to send me something, you want to send me anything to wear like under my shirt, and I can put it on and show it off for you and give you guys a shout out for sending me something. Erico sent me these fabulous snap-on wire strippers from South Main Auto. Is it South Main Auto? South Main Auto. Thanks, Eric. They came in really handy. But you know what I'd love, guys? I'd love some suggestions on what to wear under my, because, you know, have to kind of wear something under the shirt. Can't just, because if when the shirt bellows out like this, you can see right inside the shirt, and there's a no nudity policy on YouTube, so I have to wear something under here. So I will give you a PO box address. You guys are quite welcome to send me anything you guys want to see me in. I may just put it on camera and show you what it is, but I'll give you the address, okay? It is PO Box 6265 Wellesley Street. So WELLESLEY, Wellesley Street, and the postcode is 1141 in New Zealand. Can you guys see that? Yeah. So, I mean, that's just a suggestion. You guys don't have to send me anything. You just have to subscribe. You have to view. Comment. I will read out some comments as well for you guys. I've been asked, what is my tattoo? Do I have any piercings? And maybe next time we can go through all that. So for now, and also apparently Andy's gonna give me my own like time. Oh, is he back yet? I think I might be able to hear him back. Oh, I hope a tall girl hasn't come back with him. That will really mess up my day. But anyway, I'll show her how things are done maybe. I gotta call this segment something. So like Hannah's mail call, Tool Girl Hana gets mail, Tool Girl Hana's question segment. I don't know. Help me out here. Put it in the comments. What do you guys want this segment to be called? Tool Girl Hana makes my day, shouts out to me. I don't know, whatever. Something, I could wear something under here that's a little bit sexier, maybe. I don't know. Anything. Thanks for listening, guys. I think I hear Andy back. I'm going to go see what Tool Girl it was. Okay. See you guys later. Bye. Oh, hi.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Oh, I've been on a breakdown.
Yeah?
Yeah, Tool Girl Sam called me out to fix
Sam. Oh, it was Sam,
Yeah,
was it?
yeah.
20-something-year-old Sam.
I was just fixing a cut.
But you were there for ages.
Oh man, come on.
You left me here.
Seriously.
I had to read all these comments out.
Is that what you've been doing?
Well, what was I supposed to be doing?
But you're not supposed to. You know you're not allowed to touch the camera while I'm gone.
I was recording, so I just like...
No
You
way.
left it recording, Andy. You boosted as soon as Sam called
Really?
you. You were out the frickin' door like so
Well,
fast.
I might have left it on just to, capture a few thumbnails and stuff.
Come on.
For my personal collection.
Andy, I'm like twice her age and you run off.
Yeah, but there's nothing between me and Sam. You know, it's just you that. I've already
There
told
we
you that you're my
go.
queen tool girl.
Yeah, that's what you tell me.
Yeah. Okay. All right, guys. Well, my sincere apologies. I have no idea what Tool Girl Hana did to camera, so if it was bad, I apologise. If it was good, hey, great job. If you enjoyed the video,
So good.
God, I've got nailed. Oh, he does the camera. It's really low and
Yeah,
everything.
because you weren't
Jeez.
here, Andy. You were boosted.
Okay. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see Tool Girl Hana do some more of these
Whatever.
comment to camera things, whatever you want to call it,
Whatever I was doing while
then
you were
hey,
away
why
with
not
Sam.
click on subscribe, which is up there somewhere. You'll see a little gear icon turn up. Click on the gear icon, and then you can turn on notifications. And our friends down at YouTube might decide to send you another email to let you know that Tool Girl Hana has uploaded another video on my YouTube channel.
Oh, you're going to get it.
It's my YouTube channel.
No, you have to
It's
make
not
something.
Hannah's. It's mine. I started it. Right. Okay, crew. We'll see you next time. Cheers. Over and out.
You don't get a kiss this time, Andy.
Damn. Where's Sam? Hey, Tool Girl Sam. How are you?
Back.
You're back. Fantastic.
So long.
I know, and I've got a new shirt, so I thought it's only right that I give you a new shirt too. So there you go.
So excited for my new shirt, and I don't have to wear different shirts every day. And as a classic Tool Girl Sam move, I am going to wear it like this. Wow, would you look at that? I'd say that is a great present for your girlfriend if she's into tools. If she's not, she's probably into tools because you're a tool. See what I did there? Tool Girl shirt, perfect.